we are going to experience troubleshooting in RHEL 7 operating system. So let's experience practically. I'm going to start my lab machine. So to understand the troubleshooting process, I'm going to take an example to remove some important file in the boot directory. You can see my lab machine is booting. This is the IP address of my lab machine. Let's wait to complete the boot process. As I said, you can press Alt D to see the background logs. Let's wait for few more minutes. Now you can see my machine is up. So let's connect. So to understand the troubleshooting process in RHEL 7 operating system, here I am going to take an example of this file, initramfs file system image file. This is the use of this file. It carries the modules needed for mounting the root fs. So it's very important file for the boot process. Let me show you. This is the operating system version running in my lab machine. You can see this file exists in the boot location. Very important directory, and this is the image file. For safer side, I am taking the backup, or let's say someone accidentally removed this file. You can see now this file is removed from the boot location. It's not exist. So this is a very important file for the boot process, as I said. So how to recover this file? Let's troubleshoot practically. We will recover this file with the help of this VM Linux, the kernel of the Linux operating system. let's experience practically what happened with the server and how to recover this, how to troubleshoot. And I'm rebooting my machine. Obviously it will not allow to boot the operating system. As I said, it is throwing error. This file is not found, which we deleted. For the troubleshooting perspective, to understand the troubleshooting scenario, here you can see kernel panic error is there. So how to fix this issue? To fix this issue, we need a bootable image, bootable ISO. So I'm providing this, I'm attaching this RHEL 7 ISO to this machine. You can see it is attached with that machine. I'm going to reboot this machine in a rescue mode. Just press escape here once it is rebooted with the bootable ISO and provide the command Linux rescue. Now this machine is booting with the rescue mode with the help of bootable ISO image. Here we can see the rescue options. We have to choose one. Again press 1 to select that option. Press enter. Now run this command which is suggested. To mount the root file system in read-write mode. Now we can see all the binaries are available. Let's go to boot directory. Here you can see in rescue mode we can see all the files under boot, but the image file is not there. This is a different file, kdump img. The image file is not there, initramfs. So as I said, we are going to regenerate this file with the help of kernel vmlinus. So the command is dracut -f-v. This command will generate this file, the required missing file. Let's wait to complete this command process. So here you can see this file has been regenerated with the help of VM Linux kernel file, that is the core of the operating system kernel. Let's verify that file. The very last file, you can see it is generated, and let's reboot this machine. We have to detach this ISO image. I'm going to reboot this machine again. Let's see what happened now. So here we can see the previous error, which was kernel panic, and that file was missing. It's not showing right now. That indicates the issue has been fixed and it is booting. Let's wait for the login prompt. You can see now the machine has booted successfully. Let me access the machine. OS via putty. Here you can see this file is generated successfully, and we have performed the troubleshooting well. Thank you very much.